Guys, I really don't have time to go upstairs before this one come. Oh my god, guys, I'm out of breath. But here comes the Pendolino anyway. Going to Manchester Piccadilly. I have to take my breath back, guys. Oh. City of London, that's my Avanti buddy. 39138. Wish double trouble. Northern and cross country. Really covered it. Well, now I'm gonna see you when we are upstairs. I think today I'm gonna do upstairs because I don't risk it for the trains to cover the other Pendolinos. Guys, I was about to go upstairs, but here we go. £185, £140. Going to Manchester Piccadilly. My new favourite number, 331-108. I was going from Liverpool line to Manchester Airport. Hello, welcome to my channel, On Track with Early. And today I am at Ardwick on the West Coast Main Line. So guys, I got my breath back now. So the 323 came. Actually, let me record you this. I don't know if I can tell you. Then I can tell you what train has been passing. This is Transport for Wales. It's class 197. Going to Manchester Piccadilly. (197-121). Using the far track today. They don't usually use the far track. And that, I'm very surprised they use the 197 because I wish they used the 67 instead because normally they use the Mark 4 sets for that schedule. Today they use the 197. But anyhow, I'm going to let it off because it's my favorite one, 197-121. So thank God it was a good Transport for Wales train. And the new Transport for Wales train are very good. Even the 197 and the Mark 4 set are very good. So today again, the same as last week, I made it on time for 197-121 again. So the northern that came, that covered the Pendolino was 323-230. That was going to Hatfield on the 1403 service from Manchester Piccadilly. And then the cross country also left that 1403 at Manchester Piccadilly, which was 221, was it 130, going from Manchester Piccadilly to Bristol Temple Meads. So yeah, so as far as I did, so today at Ardwick, you're going to be seeing services by Avanti West Coast, Northern, Transpennine Express, Cross Country, East Midlands, Transport for Wales. You're going to be seeing one flight from, it's going to be from for DRS. So let's see what I turn up, and hopefully, which I won't wish to, but hopefully we're going to see the B Network Northern again, which that one turned up last week. So, but we're going to have some liveries Pendolinos, but I'm not going to tell you which one it is yet. I'm going to keep that as a surprise. We're going to see two liveries Pendolinos, that's the clue. But I won't tell you which one it is yet until it comes. The other liveried one is going to be very late, so you're going to have to wait till I reveal what livery that was going to be. But the first one should be on time. Anyways. 331-106 going to Crewe. I think that was both of us. It looks like it was coming in this one. The sound looks like it was coming in, but it's actually going in far away there. So enough of me yapping now, so I'll see you when the next train comes. So I hope you enjoyed the video. So I'll see you when the next train comes. Okay, Pastor Banners, going to be Northern Class 195, going to Manchester Piccadilly. 195016. 195016. We got a Chester service. I believe it's worked by Northern Class. Let me guess, 156. No, 150. 150, 113. I wanted to say first it was going to be 150, but I had doubt and I said maybe it might be 156. Anywho, we got Northern Class 150 coming in the other way, crossover. One 133. 151.33. And by the way, guys, when this video goes into YouTube, you can guess if you want what livery or two livery Pennellino this is going to be when this one uploads on YouTube. But before this one uploads on YouTube, it's going to be quite a while. So anyways, I'll see you when the train comes. Okay, Pastor, but that's going to be a Transpennine Press Class 397 going from Manchester Airport to Edinburgh. Sadly, it's worked by 397, which, no offense, people, if you like 397s. Anyhow, it's 397 002. Guys, now passing by the Avanti West Coast livery Pennellino going from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston. Now, as I reveal, it's the puppy one, 39151, unknown soldier. That's working 1 Alpha 56 from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston. So the 215, a fun fact about that schedule, the 215 schedule is 1 Alpha 48 all week in the weekdays. Then when it gets to Saturdays, 1 Alpha 56. And then when it gets to Sunday, then it's 1 Alpha 40. That's a fun fact for you. The code changes in the weekends. Okay guys, Pastor Ballad's going to be Northern Class 150. Is the return of 150 145. That came when I was coming. And it just passed as I was coming, so I didn't get to record it. But I got to record it now, which is good. That's going to Numerous Central from Manchester Piccadilly. We've got a 323 passing by. That's my baby Northern 323 212 going to Manchester Piccadilly. Very happy to see my baby Northern again. I seen that one last week as well. Still no show from 229. Okay, Pastor, but that's going to be Northern Class 150 going to Hazel Grove. One 150, 134, and 123. And as I said, a Class 156 pairs of Class 156 going to Piccadilly. Great sacrifice, I recorded that one instead of that one. 195,016, going back. That was 1564. That was 156460 and 421. The reason why I said thank God I recorded that one instead of the class 195 because it was 421 on the rare. And that northern class 195016 is going to Numu Central. And sorry, Ruby, it's your Stalker Northern again, going back to Rotten Marple. But great sacrifice to record the 156 instead of the 195. Okay, people, now we're going to have a Northern class 331. And then we have a cross country as well, I think, from far away. Double trouble again, Northern and cross country. No offense, people, if you keep hearing me saying double trouble, but that's how I like to call Northern and cross country. People, why Northern always dirty? Dirty Northern going to Manchester Piccadilly. No offense the people who works in Northern. That's 54104, which was very dirty. Got to say. Right. This is even more. This is triple trouble. I love that noise of that Northern. 195, 125 again. That's departing now, but we have another cross country. Oh my God, guys, that cross country was so loud, departing. I didn't even hear the rhythm of the other cross country. That was 22134. I think that's going to be quadruple trouble now because we had two Northerns and we had two cross countries. That's going to Bournemouth, and that's going to the other one's going to Piccadilly from Bournemouth. Here we have 323, 225 and 226 going to Manchester Airport from Blackpool North. I seen 323, 226 also last week. And the reason why I said 195, 125 again, because I did see that one last week as well. It was also, I think, doing the same route as last week. Maybe not the same schedule, but definitely the same route. And before I pause the clip, I have another train coming past, which is a Northern pairing class 323. No luck yet of seeing the B Network Northern, but who knows? It might turn up. But I'll be here anyway. I'll be here for an hour anyway, so we should be able to see it. But like they say, guys, it depends. If you're expecting it to come, probably it might not turn up. You need to not expect it to turn up. These 323s are going slow. Three 235 and 227. I was just like in my head, guys. I was like, I've seen that unit before, but I didn't see that unit today. But I did see it. Or maybe it was when I looked at real-time trains. I seen that unit. Maybe. But that unit, that 2 units of the Northern rings the bell. So I definitely did see it somewhere. Guys, we have 2 services. The first is the Northern, class 1 and 5, which is gonna... Wait. No, sorry, it's Transpennine. We've got Transpennine coming in this way. It should be 185, 140 going to Huddersfield. Oh, we've got a Transpennine crossover, pair 185s. I'm going to record this one. It's a return 197, 121. Come quick, 197, 121. I want to record you. Yes! Transport for Wales. Anyways, here we have. Let's see if I can see the numbers, if I do like this. Oh, it was my Transpennine lover leading, 185, 112. My Transpennine, my favorite Transpennine, 185, 112 on the front, and the rear was 185, 139. And that was 197, 121, going from Manchester Piccadilly to Cardiff Central. Yeah. So today, guys, we're not going to be seeing no Mark 4 sets because I'm only here until 3:36, but they're all going to be from Transport for World Class 197. But anyhow, Transport for World are good trains anyway, so I still do love the Class 197s anyway. But there's not going to be no 67 Mark 4 set turning up. Okay, guys, we've got so many trains coming. As you know, in Ardwick, you can never rest. Always a train passing. Here is going to be a Northern Class 323 should be my baby Northern on its return. 323 212. Going to Anfield. Yes, it is indeed my baby Northern. Nice rhythm from my baby Northern. I've got to say that rhythm was epic. Flipping epic. Yeah, the Avanti is coming. We should have some more services. Okay, wait, I'll pause the clip, guys. I'll see. Guys, in Ardwick, always a train passing. $397.10 to Manchester Airport, and haha Northern get covered by Pendolino. $391.38, my Avanti buddies, City of London. No offense, people, if you like Northern, but that got covered by Pendolino, which I'm so happy about because it's just a Northern, so it's not something to be happy about. I believe it was an ex-West Midland anyway. It was 323 to. That Pendolino just blew the horn when it was going there. I was just listening to the rhythm because they do the rhythm when they passed there. Yeah, it doesn't know that. I think that Northern was 323-241. I believe it was an ex-West Midland. But here we go. We got Transport for Wales. People's. I don't know if it's your favorite trains, people, but it's my favorite train, anyways. 197. 112. That's my banger Transport for Wales train. I like that number. I can't remember what did I call it. I called it my new favorite 197. Seeing that again. So I'll see you when the next train comes. Hey, we have a Northern Class 331. is a return of 331-104 going to Crewe from Manchester Piccadilly. Is that just me, or did that nose do a spark as it was passing? I don't know. I'm gonna have to double check when I upload this video. This video is not gonna come out today though. There's so many videos I need to upload, guys. I did 3 parts of Ardwick last week, so I'm gonna upload those ones first, and then after this one is gonna come out. So by the time you see this video, it's gonna be maybe about 2 weeks before you see, because I'm gonna upload the next one this Wednesday. Because I only upload Wednesday and Sunday. So by the time this one upload, now I'll upload on Wednesday and Monday. So, but Wednesday and Sunday. So by the time this upload is gonna be maybe the Sunday after this Sunday. Here we have 331-103 going to Over the Edge from Manchester Piccadilly. Is doing a nice couple good sparks as it's passing by there. A airplane, but I don't see it because it's hiding behind the clouds. Guys, people even, if you like Northern, this station is for you because this is a Northern station. Majority of the train that you see are Northern. And we got Northern, class 1 and 5. This is going to Windermere. It's 195-103 doing that one. 195-103. Guys, I just said it's a Northern station, and speaking of the devil, here comes the Northern. 156 leading. (156-415) and 150-125. People, after a brief pause, we have a Northern passing by now. (323-231) doing a nice spark, the nice one spark. Or let's say it's doing a couple of nice sparks. Guys, you see when you have surprises? Here it comes! This is the second livery Transpennine I wanted to say. It is coming flipping fast, got to say. Okay guys, I'm gonna say it now. It's 391-1, the climate Transpennine. The climate, like I like to say it. 391-1. (391-1), the climate. We're going to Manchester Piccadilly from London Euston. Guys, I never said it in my channel before, but that's how I say the climate. Whenever I see the climate, I'm very happy seeing it. That's how I say it, like that. Guys, we got Northern Class 323 coming past. Pair of 323s. My new favorite number. Oh, 195-125 again. Going to Chinley. Where the hell is Chinley? Anyways, that was my new favorite number, 323-236. and 207. Very close to my other new favorite number. We've got another 323 passing by very slowly. It's 323, 234. Flipping heck, guys, how many 323s do we see in Ardwick? Here's a 323. There's a 323. Right, a 323 that went back there. 323, 210. I told you guys, Ardwick is a northern station. Because how many northern have we seen now? Quite a lot. Okay, here's a northern again. Class 331, went to Liverpool. My new favourite number, 54108. Guys, I don't know if I pressed it too early, but we've got Pedalino coming. Guys, I just realised the majority of the Pendolino we have seen has been 11 carriages. We're just gonna have to deal with one 9 carriage that's gonna turn up soon. But majority of the Pendolino I did record are 11 carriages. Imagine if I say that now and this one is a 9 carriage. Well, I think this one is 11 carriage anyways. Oh yeah, I remember this number. It's 39123. The fast Pendolino. Not going as fast now. Guys, when I went on 39123, it was flipping epic. It was going so fast, like a fast Pendolino. Today it looks a bit exhausted. It was going very fast when I was on it. Transpennine passing by. Are you going to be kind and let me see the numbers? Yes, you are. 185, 148. And 144. $150, 133. Right. I found it. A couple of flat wheels going on there. Still more flat wheels, 1, 2, 3. 99% of flat wheels going on there. Guys, I'm so obsessed with 99. If I see a number 99, I'm gonna be screaming down your ear if I see a 99 number. But you're lucky I haven't seen a 99. You're lucky majority of the train that passes here don't have 99 numbers, otherwise. Although I would shout down your ear if I see a 99 number. 185 passing by anyways. 185. 185, 117. And 185, 147. Guys, all Transpennine are going to Scarborough today. So 185, 148 are and one something on the red. That was going to I 144. That was going to Manchester Airport from Scarborough. That was going from Manchester Airport to Scarborough, or Transpennine going to Scarborough. And guys, as that continues, I'm going to end it there for part 1. So stay tuned, and I will see you in part 2. So I hope you enjoyed it. So as I see you later, guys. Take care, guys. Goodbye.